Hello, I'm Natalie Southgate. I'm the author of Chakradance, Move Your Chakras, Change Your Life. I often describe Chakradance as being like a dance practice for the soul. It's really about reconnecting back to that deeper part of who we are and hearing what it has to say. There's a Deepak Chopra quote which really resonates with me, and it's, "We're not human beings having the occasional spiritual experiences. We're spiritual beings having the occasional human experiences." Is that a different way of looking at life? And I feel that in our sort of humanness, so many of us suffer from some really uncomfortable symptoms. You know, there's so much depression and anxiety and addictions and compulsive behaviors, and the list goes on. And in traditional shamanic cultures, it's believed that these kinds of symptoms arise through a loss of connection with the soul. And that really rings true for me. And I just know from my own journey, I know how important it is to give priority and space and time to what I've called soul time. You know, time when we take that space to actually reconnect with that deeper part of us. And I know it can be hard. You know, we are humans and we're busy and it's so easy to forget. And yet what I've really learned for myself is that if I don't make that connection on a regular basis, that sense of disconnect really ripples out into my whole life anyway. You know, I'll share a little story with you. I actually tried to make this video and some other videos last week, and it was one of those crazy mornings, as they often are. I had to get the kids up and get their breakfast and get their lunch boxes packed and get them to the bus stop, and because I was filming, I spent longer on my hair and all that sort of human stuff that we do, and I didn't actually do any soul time. So we turned up to do the videos, and everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. From me stumbling over my words to the camera not working properly, and the list went on. And I went home a bit despondent and a bit upset about it. And then I remembered that in all the craziness of my morning, I hadn't prioritized soul time. So where I thought I didn't have time, it had such an impact on my whole day anyway. And you know, we are human, so it's not about judgment. It's just catching those things and remembering how important it is to keep coming back. So how do we do soul time? For me, it's about not doing anything that's too elaborate, it's got bells and whistles on it, because if it's too extreme, it's too hard to stick to. Soul time needs to be consistent. It's really like cleaning your teeth and having a shower, something that you can do on a daily basis that keeps that sense of connection. So something like lighting a candle each morning and setting an intention for your day, setting an intention to make that connection and to walk with soul throughout your day. Things like lighting a candle and sitting in gratitude, finding gratitude for the things that you have in your life. When we open up to the energy of gratitude and appreciation, we elevate our energy and we connect more with that soul part of who we are. It could be reading a couple of pages from an inspirational book. That will also help to elevate your energy and make that connection. It could be committing to a really simple daily meditation practice, whether that's Chakradance, a moving meditation practice, or sitting in stillness and connecting with your breath. Whatever it is, it's about finding a way that's easy and simple for you that you can keep consistent in your life. In my new book, I will go through a number of different ways of different things that you can do to make that connection for your soul time. And I will share with you two beautiful tools that I use. One is a guided meditation. It came through for me and I've been using it for myself, and I've shared it with some others, and now I'm excited to share it in my book. It's called Soul Message. It's a guided meditation where and it's all recorded with my voiceover, so you can close your eyes and just surrender into it. You go on this journey where you actually have this soul connection, your own connection with your own soul, and a message comes through. It's really powerful. And the other part that we do in the book is to dance the crown chakra, and it comes with the music and the guidance. When we dance the chakra of the crown chakra, it's like the soul's turn to dance. It's almost like the nectar of our soul permeating our physical body, where we get to experience that ultimate connection of soul and body dancing together, experiencing that wisdom, that love, that universal grace within our bodies. So I really hope you enjoy these exercises, and I hope you enjoy my book. It's been 3 years in the making. It's had blood, sweat and tears and everything else, but I really hope you enjoy it. Namaste.